Hello, welcome to Grow New Plants. So today I'm going to plant some seeds from a Tabasco pepper. Now, I saved one pepper just so you can kind of see what the old dried up pepper looks like. And this is an uncommon plant for me to find, at least around here where I'm at. I use them for a couple different recipes, so I really like the Tabasco peppers, but they're hard to find. So I grew one last year and I saved several peppers, and then I got seeds and I've been soaking them for a couple days. Hopefully you can see those in that jar. So I'm fixing to pour the water out. Okay, so I got all these seeds out and got them somewhat separated, so hopefully I'll be able to grab individual seeds and then drop them in. They're pretty tiny, and I've never done, I'm gonna go ahead and get my soil put in here real quick. I've never done any kind of vegetable or anything. I've just grown pretty much plants or shrubs and stuff like that, but I've never done any kind of vegetables. But I really like these peppers, and I know a lot of other people that like them too, so if I get a bunch of them, I won't sell them or anything. Probably I'll just, if I get a bunch of them growing up, I'll just take them, give them away to friends and family. So it's worth a try. And I know typically you plant vegetables, get planted earlier in the year, but I think they'll still be all right. Hopefully they'll still germinate, and they just have a little bit slower start. So I'm gonna do a little bit different. I'm gonna pack this in just a little bit more than what I normally do when I'm planting tree seeds, because hopefully I can just press the seed down in there with these tweezers and it'll be at its final resting position. I don't want to have to try and pack them in like I did the other seeds, the tree seeds and everything. I'm just raking up enough where I can see all my individual cells. So here's my seeds. And this is going to be pretty tedious. I'll do a couple of them on camera and then I'll just time lapse through the rest of it. So there's a seed. It looks just like my Osmocote. Okay, so here's a I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. There's one of my Osmocote beads. Seeds look just like them, so it's going to be kind of tricky. So I'm just taking them, pressing them about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch down into the ground. So that's it. I'll do this first row here, and then I'll go ahead and set up and fast forward past there. Could do a time lapse on them. This is really hard. Hopefully I get something out of these. Okay, so there's one row. So I'll set up and I'll do a time lapse and I'll get the rest of these planted. Okay, so I got them all planted. I had just the right amount of seeds. I lost a couple that popped out of my tray when I was trying to grab them, but I think I got at least one, and a couple of them I got 2 seeds in. So I'm hoping these things, you know, typically vegetables, peppers, tomatoes, stuff like that, they germinate quicker than what a tree would. So I'm hoping maybe in a couple weeks, if I'm going to get anything out of these, within a couple weeks, I'll start seeing stuff come up. So I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and then I'll just do an update on them in a couple weeks, and we'll see what they look like. I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share my videos. Thank you.